Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. We are walking, we are at the beach. We are
like
walking
beach
to the
part
park.
two,
Well, they know we were at the beach.
but ocean version. Yeah, like ocean version, like way more straight.
Yeah, we are at the ocean. Oh, my hair is soft and
Let's
I
not
love
even get us
it.
started on that.
Love, when me and Lily were at the showers, the guy was like, sorry for wrecking your movie, because he was in the shower next to us.
Yeah, we love that.
It's fine.
Yeah.
Don't worry.
He just wanted to be part of the sister vlog.
Yeah,
Of course.
we love our fans.
You know what I mean?
Yeah, we love our fans.
Our 5
Probably one of the
subscribers.
subscribers.
Yes,
Really.
thank you.
I
love you
subscribe,
so
everyone.
much. Thank you,
Yes,
everyone,
subscribe.
all of our
Hit that-
subscribers.
Hit that
Love you.
thumbs up and make sure you subscribe to your channel our
Yeah.
channel.
Your link will be down below.
Like,
Yeah, share with
subscribe,
all
link
your
in bio.
friends.
Yeah.
They really sound
What else?
YouTube.
Oh, here we go. You want to put on the post notifications so that you
Yes.
can see every time we
Yes,
upload.
yes.
I
Because
have them
otherwise
on. They're
You don't want to
amazing.
miss one of these bad boys.
Yes,
you don't want to miss
you
it.
don't.
Yes.
You really
Videos
don't.
are the highlight.
Yes,
of
we-
day,
like
week, month, year.
Yeah.
Okay, so Lily is using the conditioner in the shower.
Okay. What the heck?
We don't really know how to use the shower.
Okay.
It's not really working. All right, next one.
Here we go.
Oh, there we go.
Okay.
Is it cold?
Great. Kind of. Here we go.
Feel it. Oh, a little chill. Not as cold as the. Oh,
Here's our
she's using
conditioner.
quite a lot.
Okay.
Oh, her hair looks white. She looks like she's an old grandma.
Okay.
Yeah.
Let's get it really in there. Oh. Okay, it's in my mouth. Okay. Oh, and it's all over me. Okay. I can't even open my eyes.
Really getting in there with that conditioner.
What?
Really getting all the knots out.
Yeah. Here we go. I think we are almost done. And I'll give you a nice. That was really
That was gorgeous. Thank you for that.
Okay. See the rainbow. Look at the rainbow. Oh my god, I love it. Yeah.
Yes.
Here's some white spots.
Oh, yes, we love that. We love
You're
feeling.
not even on the water.
I know it. I'm just putting it in my hair yet. I mean, first. We love feeling all the sand through my fingers.
Yes, of course.
Oh. Oh, all right. Can't open my eyes or my mouth. Okay. See, we just came out of my hair. We love that. All right. It's actually kind of warm.
Yeah.
I kind of like it. Is it still white?
No.
No. It smells good.
Yeah.
Alright. So they're over at the park.
Yeah.
I think that's them on the Henry on the swings.
There's my brother on the swings.
And Adam and Anthony.
You like can't even see it, but oh, there we go. We can see. Yeah, we will guest star them later.
And we are done.
Oh, that just looks great. Wow, we love that.
Great.
Wow. Oh, yeah.
Oh my god, it's so cold. But it's actually like very like
Look
relaxing.
alive.
You know what I mean? Like
Hey guys, it's Sister Emily. Just wanted to let you know that I will be one of the newest members.
And
along with
Hailey, so
Hailey.
welcoming our new members.
okay, the rest of these sisters have decided that they're gonna play tag, which if you didn't know stands for touch and go. So yeah.
All our fans, I just want to give you a heads up. We are a have a no hate policy.
Yep.
Some people like to hate on us, but we are YouTube famous because of all of you. We love you guys.
We love our subscribers. If you want to leave us a hate comment, you know what? It's not even gonna affect us. So
Because we will just be
We just-
empowered and motivated and
Yeah.
make more videos.
we just, you know what? I'm just gonna spite you for that. So sucks to suck, I guess.
Thank you.
Henry.
You're making me look like I'm spitting.
I was going to watch them. We
just wanted to give a little update that we are now going sideways. And we are under this little thing at the park finding some shade because it's really hot.
What?
There's a lot of bugs.
Can you? Oh, that angle is not the best for me.
None are in the video, but it's fine.
Here we go. Looks like we're going back to the shower because it's a little hot out.
We don't want to go in the water.
Yeah.
It's a little cold for
And it's a little aggressive for my liking, you know? So. Oh, just kidding. It's not JRZ money. It's Jake freaking Salmon. It's not no, it's Jake. Oh, that's going to have to work. Oh, my.
So we are eating lunch right now.
Guys, is so good.
It looks good.
I haven't gone there in like 10 years.
I have my
I went there like a
Uncrustables.
week ago.
It's really
Like a
good.
steak.
Oh, wait. Peanut butter and jelly.
Oh, me. I got my chips. I already ate my grilled chicken. Turkey.
So I finally got my rainbow ice. Beautifulness after a year.
And a million horse
Because
fly
the service
bites.
supposed to be literal worse. And these freaking flies make me suicidal. So yeah. But this ice is really good and I love it. So we're at the beach, of course, and there's some people here.
Nah, bro, I'm good. Thank you.
Asked the boys if they wanted a fry, and their response was, "Nah, bro, I'm good."
Yeah.
So we like that response.
Let me do a vlog for a sec. What's up, guys? Tide Pod.
Hi, sister.